Alright guys, this is
on my wish list.
this is it. This is Power Guy 003. I got it. Yang Lu, baby.
Well,
I'm excited.
Which one would you take?
Look at this.
Purity.
Got this at Red Apple, went back up there. Gonna probably go back up there again. Been up there like 4 times. Actually probably more. But there it is. It says right there. I don't know. I don't know if you can see, but
I need to clean mine up. Mine needs a freaking bath. I used to wear boots and everything. Well, I couldn't make myself look all stiffy, couldn't I?
there we go.
Some weight.
3 massive assorted color willows, ending in a finale display of red, purple, peony. Oh, cool. Alright, so chapter. Alright, and the next thing I got was something new, something loud they said they had. Was really loud. Said the loudest shells they have in Red Apple fireworks, supposedly. So I opened it, if you can already tell, and I actually used a lot of the shells already, because they are pretty awesome for small shells. Because you know, when you open up the canister shells, I gotta say they do have a lot of air space in them. So I can see why. Here's what they look like. Yeah. Let me see if I could. But yeah, these are it. This is pot. I'm trying to get it to see it so you guys can see it. Pyro Predator. Yeah, I made salutes with these already, so you know how I am. So, what I gotta say about these though, really big color breaks. I don't know about Bang so much. They're pretty okay on Bang, but I would say they got a lot of color in these. But yeah, they're good. Overall, they're good for artillery shot. That's it. Peace.